Hi, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my step guide of how to clean up your kids' bedroom. I've got two boys that share this room, aged 8 and 10. I'm going to share with you step by step how to tackle this job. So I'm going to put the timestamps in the description bar below so you can always skip ahead to what you're most interested in. I'm also going to share with you today also a list of equipment that you're going to be needing to get the job done. So if you want to see how I go from this to this, stay tuned. So first up, these are some things you're going to need to get this job done. You're going to need a dustpan and brush with a broom. I love this flash spray mop. A bin bag in case you come across items that are too small that you need to give away to charity. This is my Roomba robot vacuum. Gonna need that. Paper towel, microfiber cloth, disinfectant, window cleaner, and I've got some white vinegar cleaner here as well. Oh, and just a clothes basket as well. Step 1. Strip the bed and flip the mattress. I actually have a schedule of when I wash my kids' bedding and my own bedding. I wash mine every week, and my children's, I wash them every 2 weeks. The duvets, I wash those every change of season, but I actually take them to the local laundrette because the machines there are way bigger. Step 2. Put away items that don't belong and clear all surfaces. Part of step 2, you need to go through your wardrobes and underwear drawers, get rid of any items that are damaged and put that in the bin pile, and also look out for any items that no longer fit that you may want to donate to charity. I purchased bigger hangers for my youngest son, so I had to swap them out. And this is the pile of hangers I was left with in green and blue plastic hangers. But I'll donate them to the charity shop. Step 3. Sweep under the bed, pull out everything. Now, this totally wasn't part of my plan when I started this morning, but I ended up rearranging the bed, and the boys were absolutely surprised when they got back from school that day. Step 4. Clean the window and the windowsill. 5. Dust the skirting board. Now this room also has a data rail, so I clean that too. 6. Clean the bookcase. Straighten up the shelves while you're at it. I also wiped clean the front and the back cases of every PlayStation 3 and Wii game. Here I am adding fresh sheets to the bed. They just came out of the tumble dryer. The final step, step 7, we're going to deal with the floor. First, I set the robot vacuum to go around and do its bits and bobs. Then I get my flash mop out and then I mop the floor. And also I would go in with my dustpan and brush and my broom just to get any extra bits, big bits off the floor that the robot cleaner can't pick up. Don't forget to rate, comment and subscribe and click the notification bell below to be notified of when I next upload. Thanks for watching.